Sunday home reset. Hope you enjoy. Well, Cammie, this is for you. I watch Cammie. She's American housewife, and her channel is lots and lots of fun to watch. And she does homemaking, and she does yard work, and she shows her beautiful grandchildren. So much fun to watch. And her hubby pops in once in a while too. So have a look at her channel, American Wife. It's a good channel. Anyhow, Cammie and I just think we're so smart because we can speed everything up and make us look like we're super workers. Okay, Cammie, hope you enjoy this part. And if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed and joined our YouTube family. Oh yes, and Cammie also does Clean for Freeze, which are always lots and lots of fun to watch. The dishes are washed. Okay, this is my berry. I showed you this in a short, and I thought I'd show you how it works. And hopefully it'll work with carrots. Now, the water in there, and just let it run, and I think that's pretty cool. I think I'll put my cookie jar away. I just rearranged a few things on this counter. I put my little teacup over here just for fun, and I put some napkins there. I'd like to get a napkin holder, but I'm still looking. And I got my bee all done. Okay, I'm gonna take my bunny away. I'm gonna put her away for a while. And my bunny dish. This stuff will be okay. I'll just change this part. So you'll have to just watch and see what I do. Okay, I'm going to give the floor a mop back. Well, if you stayed this long and watching my video, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. And in the comments, leave a little note. Tell me where you're from or what you've been up to. I always like to hear what my subscribers are doing. And a big hug out to my regulars. Well, I got that half of the kitchen mopped back. I'm going to plug it in and then look at the other side. In the meantime, I think we'll go in the living room and tidy up. No, maybe we'll go in the bathroom. Let's see what we can do in the bathroom. Well, we didn't go in the living room or the bathroom. We went in the bedroom, so that's next. No washer, just haven't been brought up. These are very thin.
They're what?
Thin.
Okay, what's this?
But at least they're clean. Well, I'm telling you, it is a rigmarole to get our sheets on this bed. We have to lift the mattress out because it kind of sits in a box. So it takes the two of us to get this done. Well, anyhow, we get her done. And it's always great to get into clean sheets every night. Well, we got the sheets on, and I'm so excited because I got this bedspread at the thrift store in Cranbrook, and it was half price day, and it was priced for $8, and I got it for $4. And I think it looks really pretty on our bed in our bedroom that is mauve and kind of a pastel green color. The bedspread has mauve and purple and all kinds of great colors. Okay, Jody, make sure you watch. Okay, now, tuck it under. Good. There, that's perfect.
Oh, it's not the same.
It doesn't matter, just leave it.
No, here.
I know, doesn't matter.
Let me try to go over.
Huh? That's okay. I'm going to play with pillows there so it'll come up. Thanks. Okay. Now I have to decide what I'm going to do it here. I'm going to fold it down. I think I like that. I'm just going to leave it up. No, it doesn't quite fit right. Said it was a queen, but it's not. So we'll just smooth that out. And I need to get pillowcases for these guys. And for these guys, I gotta decide what pillowcases I'm putting on. And this I'm gonna put in the wash. Okay, I really like the colors because I think they go really nicely with the walls in here, which are light green and mauve. And I thought this bedspread was fun. I did look it up to see what era it's from. I've never seen one like this. Could be a new one or it could be a really old one. I have no idea. But I just thought it was fun. Well, you'll have to check in next Sunday and see what I do with the pillows and the cushions. Hopefully I find something. Anyhow, that's my Sunday home reset. Thanks for watching.